cold out here. Okay, what's up everybody? This is Alvin from Code Photography. It's 6:53 a.m. We are on our way to Clinton Junior High. On our way to do some basketball. Oh, I don't know how in the world I forgot to stop and grab some gas. So late for an appointment. This is gonna look real bad my first day. I hope I don't run out of gas before I make it up here, because this is gonna look real bad my first day. I'm already pushing it. This is kind of rough on me this early in the morning. If I run out of gas, then it's probably not gonna be good. Come on, man. We're gonna shoot with two AD200s and one AD600. So we're going with the 85mm again, Canon 5D Mark IV. I'm gonna use my AD600 as my main light, and then I'm gonna use AD200 as a fill, and then I use the second AD200 as a backlight. So this is my first time at Clinton Junior High. This is my first time meeting this bunch of kids, so we're gonna do what we can do. Y'all see that snow out there? Look, that's the closest you're gonna get to snow in Mississippi. Look, that's all we're gonna get, because it never snows in central Mississippi.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, y'all, we'll let you see how this thing turns out. I left my softbox in the truck, but I cannot walk back another mile to go get that. I'm sorry. Okay guys, my wife warned me about this sweater. She told me I was gonna be hot, but it's so cold outside. I'm like, it's cold out here. I'm not gonna be hot. Listen, I don't like cold. This is kind of rough on me. And just as sure she said it, I am scorching. Okay, so we're waiting on the guys to come in. We're headed to go get the coach right now, so setup is just about done. I can't believe I left my backlight softbox. Okay, now I got a problem. I got to go get that thing. I got to go get it. Didn't realize I was gonna have to park so far away from the school, but the Lord worked it out. All right, let's head in. Okay guys, I must say I think this was a pretty successful shoot. We got the guys in, got them in and out. Coach seemed to be pleased with the service. I met some wonderful people. That's what this thing is about. It's about networking and you know, meeting good people, having a good time, putting out good products. So let's get it.